Hi guys, this is Chakri Devi from CDA Tech channel. I want to explain about lightning advantages for business. Previous two videos are you learn about advantages of lightning and disadvantages of classic. Uh, I think you get some clarity why we want to go to for lightning. So now I want to explain about how we can using lightning in our business real time projects. So coming to lightning advantages, we can quickly finishing our project when compared to classic. Yes, when compared to classic, we can quickly finishing our projects. And also rich user experience for business people. Yes, you are listened correctly. Rich users experience for business peoples. And navigation is quick and easy to understand. Yes, navigation is very easy for this one, and we can easily understood. Navigation is quick and easy to understand. And unique user interface across all screens. Yes, in our all screens unique user are available. So user interface across all screens. Across all screens. And business growth is increased with all above features. We can increase our business with the help of all above features. Those are quickly finishing our project, is user experience for business people, and navigation is quick and easy to understand, and unique user interface across all the screens. These all are, by using these all are, we can increase our business growth. Basically, in our lightning, just we have to know about that particular syntax, and when we want to use that particular syntax and what is the use of that syntax, these things we have to know about in lightning. Then we can easily create or develop a application in lightning. Just we have to know about which syntax is used, what is the use of that, which syntax is used, and what is the use of that particular syntax. What is the use of that particular syntax. And next one, JavaScript along with Bootstrap, jQuery along with CSS3 required to learn in Classic. In our Classic, JavaScript you have to learn JavaScript along with Bootstrap, jQuery, and also along with CSS3 required to learn in Classic. But Bootstrap, jQuery along with CSS3 required to learn in Classic. But coming to Lightning, Salesforce Lightning Design System, it means in short form SLDS. In coming to Lightning, SLDS, already I said full form of SLDS in previous video. Please go through that video. SLDS, I gave link in description. Please go through that one. Lightning Basics 1 and Basics 2. Easy to learn and enough to that to the lightning. These are the enough to lightning. Now practically I will show what in our lightning what way we can do by using lightning. Practically I will show. Here's the JavaScript. No need to just basics we have to learn in lightning enough to the lightning advantages. These are the lightning advantages for business. It means in real time these are the requirement to implement or develop our application. These are the advantages lightning for business. Coming to practical in lightning, this is the view of lightning. This is we can create by using this one. Now we don't create anyone, that's why it shows it not highlighted, it is whole, so hide. This is help you can take, and by using this we can create directly any record, new event or new task or new content. All these are we can create directly by using this button. And this is help if you want to know about anything in lightning. By using this one we have to know clarity about this one. And coming to bell icon, this is setup. We can go through the developer console, and we already in the setup, when you click on setup you can get a separate page for that lightning. And this is bell icon is used for notifications. If you when we got any notification through this bell icon, we can get notifications by using this bell icon. And this is the user profile. In this one, this is my name. This is if you want to go for classic, click on this one, switch to Salesforce Classic, and you can add another name of username to this particular account. These are the settings. We can set our password length and timing, expire time. You can set in by using this user settings. And coming to left side, these are the apps. By using, when we have click on this icon, we can get any app. We can open any app, and we can create our own app, that is called customer app. We can open our app in here from this here. For example, click on service. We got as like this view of service. These all are the tabs. These all are the tabs of that particular application, service application. This is quarterly performance. This icon is we can edit that one, and you can refresh from here. Because we are update anything, we can refresh by using this button. And click on setup. We can open another page, refresh page, already I said in previous. By using this lightning experience, we can create, and I will give more explanation about this one. This is home page. We can find here, and we can open any object or any application in this one. This is object manager. We can create any object by using this object manager. Click on that one and go to create, and click on custom object here, and we can create custom object in this one. This is home page. So thank you guys. I will give explanation in next video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, and continuation of this video I will give next in video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like this video. This is the view of lightning page, home page. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.